In this video, I'm installing the Oracle JDK17 under Windows. I've already downloaded the x64 installer. I'm just going to run the installer. After installing the JDK, you can test if the JDK has been installed correctly by opening up a little command terminal. So look for the command prompt. You can look for the CMD program in the search bar, and you can just open that. You should get this command prompt here. Now you can just type in Java space, the hyphen or minus sign, and then version. If Java is installed correctly, this should print out the following. So it says that there is a Java interpreter on this computer. It's version 17.0.1, which is the version that we just installed. If you get that message, Java has been installed correctly, and you're done.